Good morning, grade 10. So, in a previous class, we started with HTML. So, today I will show you a sample program of HTML. So, for HTML, as I told you, you need two things. One is your notepad and the second is your any browser on your system. So, notepad is there on all the systems. In the search, you can simply type there notepad. Fine. And you can find this notepad there on your system. You just have to choose that notepad. You just have to click on that option and you can choose that. Fine. This. Now, to start working with HTML, the first tag that we have discussed is your HTML. So this angular bracket, the first thing you need is angular bracket. Type there HTML. Close this angular bracket, means this HTML is a tag. This shows that we are working with HTML. Then again take this angular bracket. Okay. Type here head. Fine. And close this angular bracket here. Okay. Go to the next line. Now type their title. Fine. And then you can close this angular bracket. Go to the next line. Now this body. Body is a main tag that contains many tags within itself. Okay. So it contains all the tag, the body tag. Suppose in a body tag, I write here this. Okay, space is space my space first page. Fine. Now you have to go to the next line and now you have to close these tags. So when you have to close the tags, you will close the last tag first. So which is your last tag here? A body tag. So you will close this body tag first, and to close it you have to write this backslash. This till that this is your closing tag. Fine. And after doing this body tag, then you need to close your title tag. Okay, and whatever, suppose you write here something in title, suppose my page. Okay, if you're writing something here on a title tag, you can close this title tag here itself. So again a backslash and title. Fine. So you can close your title tag there only. Fine. Now after body tag, which tag you want to close? This, a head tag. So again an angular bracket, a backslash and head tag. Fine. And then close this angular tag. Go to the next line. Then which tag? HTML. So for closing a backslash HTML. Okay, angular bracket. So this is according that we did on a notepad for the first program. Now you have to save it. So save as, you can choose a location. Suppose I want to save it on my desktop, on my document. But when I give the name of the file here, suppose my name of my file is first. Okay. So the extension should be .html. Okay, it is compulsory. If you will not write .html, then it will save it as a doc file, documents. But you want to make an HTML file because you want browser to run it. So you have to save it with an extension .html, and now it is saved on your document. So save it. Fine. See girls, this is how you created a document in a notepad. Now you want to view it. So for viewing a document, click on Internet Explorer. On this file tab, open. Okay. Now it will give an option browse. So you can browse on your computer wherever you stored your file. Suppose like I stored it in my document. So browse In my documents, I look for my file with the name first I saved. See, it is not a normal document window. It is showing this browser sign also that this is a HTML document. Open it now. Okay. And now you can see this. Whatever you have typed there on a notepad, you can view this on a browser window, and tags are not visible. So this is just a starting how we make use of Notebit and browsers. In the next class, we will study some more tags and some more features of HTML. So till then, keep revising, keep studying, keep practicing. Thank you.